for over 2 millennia. The 5th day of the 5th lunar month has pulsed through the veins of Chinese civilization. This is a day of contradictions. Thunderous dragon boat races dispel silent wandering spirits. Bitter medicinal herbs ward off invisible calamities, while glutinous rice wrapped in reed leaves becomes an offering to bygone eras. This is Duanwu, known globally as the Dragon Boat Festival.
It was the first Chinese festival to make it into UNESCO's list of World Intangible Cultural Heritage. Now, join us as we unravel the threads of time to discover how a single day combines the living and the dead in a dance of memory, resiliency, and unyielding hope.
In the dim exhibition hall of the Sichuan Museum, a piece of ancient pottery's quiet testimony roars loud to those who have ears to hear it. While Western navigators conquered the seas with compasses, Eastern dragon boats probed the spidery veins of the rivers, carving arcs of tribute to time.
In ancient times, as the dragon boat races were taking place, the common people would line the riverbanks. But the bureaucracy and the wealthy would get into boats like this and watch the races from the river itself. We made it to the dragon boat races, and the feeling here is electric, with people from all walks of life both watching and participating in the races. The dragon boat races started during the Warring States period, earlier than 2,000 years ago. I can imagine in Chinese history, in the Tang Dynasty, the royalty watching from their fancy riverboat barges, and even a washerwoman on the Jin River washing clothes, watching the races. These races really use human ingenuity and the human spirit. It really brings the tradition of Chinese culture to our modern world.
In 278 BC, the tragedy of Chu Yuan throwing himself into the river led to the drum beats of the Chu people racing their boats against time in search for his soul. What was once a poignant elegy turned into shouts of glory when dragon boat racing made its debut at the Chengdu World Games. Millennia of drumbeats fell into sync and found their genetic destiny. Not a lone hero's conquest, but a resonance of countless paddles striking together. Each stroke marks 4 words in the river of time. Shared boat, combined effort.
我们这个龙舟是那个属于是团队项目，就是需要大家在船上之后需要连成一条心，就是所以说这样的话我们的船速才会更快，而且船才会更稳。因为龙舟分为小龙跟大龙，小龙的话就10个人划的，大龙的话就是22个人。
OK。
我们现在划的都是小龙。我们这个小龙舟它的全长的话，就是我们现在它上面有个龙头，看到有个龙头龙尾，如果不加上龙头龙尾的话，只有9.6米长。如果加上的话，就刚好12米，就刚好12个月份。
所有的那个龙舟都是手工的吗？
第一次考虑到这个比赛的公平公正，所以说现在的多数龙舟都是统一厂家出的，就是说不管是长度宽度都是统一的。
OK。
但是现在的传统龙也是有的。
我要去看，
我们现在就去看。
好 ，Let's go。Hey, I hear the dragon boat drum right now. Let's go check it out. Hey, 师傅你好。我听说这里有人还是手工做龙舟，是不是？
对。
哇，是你是不是？
哎，
哇，我觉得这个好厉害。你多少年做这样的工作？
71-year-old Cheng Wenzhong has been shaping wood in this workshop for half his life. As industrial assembly lines churn out dragon boats, his commitment to handmade echoes with the sound of hammer and nails.
我不知道这是什么。
这是雹子，
雹子
雹子，
我不知道。
看到这个没有？
哦，OK，
看到没有？
OK， 用推。OK， 用推。OK， 我试一下。
哎呦，
谢谢。Nope. I suck.
These boards, Zijun clumsily planed, stand like a collision between tradition and recklessness. Yet within such clumsy devotion, perhaps, lies the true essence of inheritance.
100多20个工，20多个工。
So 差不多1个月1个龙舟，差不多1个 OK， 1个月1个龙舟。
因为我们搞了几十年了，对这个有感情了。你看过这些都是几十年的东西了。参加比赛又少，主要是搞这个训练，对不对？但这个有味道。
有味道。
哦，他们得进馆子要点菜谱，你的菜谱都说不出来。你要现在找这种就不好找。
His father taught him, he's teaching his son, and his son is teaching his son. I think this shows how China as a nation, Chengdu as a city, is preserving traditional culture, especially in these times where everything is changing so rapidly. The world is becoming so modern, but we still have great men like this who are preserving these outstanding traditions. I'm so happy today to learn how to do these things and to know that I could not do this. This takes years of study and practice. I am not a master. You are the master, sir. So 我很感谢你，我太感谢你，谢谢你，谢谢你，谢谢你。嘿，师傅你好。
哎，你好，
请问你们现在在干嘛？
我们在割艾草。
哦，艾草，我听说每个中国人要放在他们的门口，他们要放艾草，他们的门口，在他们的门口，是不是？
是端午节，我们这一片都要割完，都要送给这个客户挂门头，挂在门头上。
哦，我觉得很有意思，我可以来试试吗？
可以。
哇，好，我来。
这把拉到。
OK，
这样。
然后 just pull。
对对。
OK， 就是拉，这样。OK， 那
我们多的时候嘛，每天要发10吨左右，每天。少的是像现在平时哈，我们每天就是几万把。
OK，
就这样子，几万把，每天要发几万把出去。端午就这个挂门头的，必须要这个菖蒲，艾草。
In the creases of Chengdu Plain, dew-soaked earth brews Duanwu rituals. Hundreds of acres of wormwood and calamus unfold sword-shaped leaves, awaiting their millennia-old mission in the poisonous month. Wormwood purges impurities with its bitter warmth. Calamus pierces specters like bronze blades. These silent plants compose antiquity's survival wisdom through intertwined science and legend.
So now we've got the wormwood and the calamus that we picked from our farm, because with young people, these bundles are becoming very popular. What they do is they bundle them with flowers and with beautiful things. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to a flower shop. I'm going to try to make mine more beautiful, and I think I'll put it up in my own house.
As wormwood and calamus become essential items in the new Chinese style, a silent agricultural revolution is unfolding.
就是在这里面的话，这个扫把和簸箕相当于说是少数霉运的，就是好运的象征。就基本上这里面的寓意都是比较好的。
I can understand why so many people like it and why it's really become more popular now in Chinese culture. It's beautiful. Let's go put it at my house.
A return of China's ancient aesthetic renaissance. growing out of the soil and becoming a healing balm for modernity.
This is Chengdu's Man'an East Road. On this street, the meaning of Zongzi transcends mere remembrance. While literally tons of bamboo leaves are consumed here annually, what truly simmers in these steam-filled streets is the unyielding human warmth of this place, a timeless pulse of life that numbers could never truly quantify. Look at all of these zongzi. I am blown away by the amount of zongzi.
On this street, governed by 4 grandmothers, the Carnival of Sticky Rice has been performed day in and day out for 40 years.
多大？85。哇！
From plain bean paste zongzi to the 7-star zongzi, the competition of flavors contains the ancient genes of the Chinese civilization. The zongzi was originally named Jiao Shu, shaped like a cow horn to simulate sacrificial offerings.
As we walk down the street, I've noticed all of these shop signs have the name Po Po in them, which translates as grandmother. So right now I would like to speak to one of these grandmothers, ask her a few questions. Hey, 婆婆，你好，你好，你好，你好，你好。我有几个问题我可以问你吗？
可以啊，
多少家店要买粽子？
大概在35家店到42家店左右。
哇，那是一年，还是就是对于那个端午节？
平时就只有4家店，
哦
梁婆婆、马婆婆，还有其他2个婆婆。但是到那个端午节之后，就形成了每家都在开，对，大概40-50家店。
After Chu Yuan's suicide during the Warring States period, the zongzi evolved into a shield to protect the poet's soul.
老百姓就为了让鱼虾不吃这个屈原的身体，就投了一些粽子、米、叶子进去，让小鱼小虾吃它，而保留了屈原的身体。原来是这个典故。
As drumbeats fade and rivers calm, we finally decipher Duanmu's metaphor. The dragon boat's bold advance, the wormwood's tender guardianship, the zongzi's inclusive unity. They are 3 dimensions of Chinese civilization. It accommodates industrial roar yet keeps craftsmanship alive, embraces commercial tides but forbids cultural amnesia. Perhaps this is festival's ultimate purpose, letting speed and slowness, modernity and tradition, reconcile on the same 5th day of the 5th lunar month,